Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to create a Geometry Dash account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before logging in and playing Geometry Dash. You can use this method on both mobile and computer. So without further ado, let's get started. Make sure you've installed the game. Open Geometry Dash, and it should look like this. Click the settings icon here. Click Account. Click Register to create an account. Create a username for your Geometry Dash account. Enter a password here. And then confirm it by entering the same password. Enter your email address. Confirm your email address. Once everything is correct, click Submit. Geometry Dash will send you an email containing a verification link. So, please open your inbox. I'm using Gmail, so I'll open my Gmail account. If you've refreshed your inbox and still haven't received the email, try checking your spam folder. As you can see, the email is in the spam folder. Just open it and then click the account activation link here. You've successfully created and verified a new Geometry Dash account. You can also use this account on other devices. So, if you need to log in again, you can use the username and password you just created. That's the tutorial on how to create a Geometry Dash account. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.